take your seat.
Thank you.
Okay, this is Virendra Mohan, and you?
Deepika Yadav.
You?
Gracie Yadav.
Gracie Yadav. So, do you know why did call you?
Yes, for the ASL.
For ASL is assessment of speaking and listening. So, first to introduce yourself.
So my name is Gracie Yadav. I am student of class 11th in mathematics, studying in Prashad International School. My father's name is Mr. Vinod Kumar Yadav. He is a businessman, and my mother is Mrs. Premshila Yadav. She is a housewife. And my hobby is to play badminton, to study novels and storybooks whenever I am free. And my aim is to become an IAS officer to serve my country with loyalty and work as a big asset to my society and my people.
So, why did you decide to be an IAS officer?
Sir, I decided to be an IAS officer. I had choose this as my future goal and my aim, because I believe that being on that post I can help several poor and several children out there, mainly in remote areas, who are not accessible for their studies and who are not able to get the access of studies and facilities which we do, and they are more deserving than us. So I believe that if I will be given those powers that an IAS officer has, so I can help them.
Okay, very good. So, do you know your topic?
Yes, so my topic for the ASL is death penalty effective as a punishment?
Okay, just to explain.
So death penalty, popularly known across the nations, across our country, is a capital punishment in which an offender is given the execution by the hanging by the law of criminal offence.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you understand about the topic death penalty?
Sir, death penalty in many countries, it is practiced in many ways, like death penalty in India. Death penalty in India is a permissible.
Okay, proceed.
Death penalty in India is a legal punishment and permissible to certain kind of crimes like murder, rape, and it is given mainly on the public opinion and the role of public opinion, and collective conscience is more important in this kind of penalty.
Can you tell me that's how death penalty can be stopped in India?
So death penalty, so there are certain, it's a big debate that death penalty should be abolished, because it is against the international human rights, because killing a person cannot change the fact that it will deter the crime, because if a crime is happening in the country, so killing a person who is accused, it cannot end, it cannot change the fact. The mentality should be changed across the country, and death penalty is not gonna change any kind of crime.
Okay, good, very good. So, Deepika, would you like to ask any question to Gracie Yadav?
Yes, sir, I like
Okay,
to
ask.
What is the exception for death penalty?
So there are mainly two exceptions in the death penalty. The person who is suffering from the mental illness is given the death penalty because they are liability to our society, to their family, and they behave in a different manner. They are some kind of abnormal people, so they are given the death penalty. And children who are under the age of 7 years means they have the rule that they will not be given the death penalty because they can be corrected.
Okay, very good. So, Deepika, just to tell me your topic.
My topic is detention should be abolished.
Okay, can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain.
Detention means officially retaining someone, means punishment. In other words, we can say that detention should be there that so that the student who are unable to pass in the exam can be passed through the detention, and with detention student can be eligible for giving their exam.
Okay, very good. So, may I ask you any question?
Yes, sir, you can.
How you can say that detention is not a proper way for students or others?
Sir, it also help the student to misbehave and it make the person to fearless. So it is it is meant.
Okay, good. But without detention, can students improve themselves?
Yes, sir, they can improve. If teachers are trained, then they can improve. If teacher will be trained, then the student will be trained, sir.
Okay, very good. So, Gracie, would you like to ask any question to Deepika?
I would like to ask her that is it means true that detention is actually effective?
Yes.
Detention is an effective for the punishment. It can stop the person from misbehaving, as we know that in the secondary school, the ability to manage time is very important. So when the time will taken away, they will realize the value of time and they will obey their teachers and will be respect their teachers and give more invest in their classes.
Okay, very good. So I am too happy to listen you that you have given very best suggestion about your topic. That's all about your topic.